The Board of Works at its meeting today received a request for the installation of a street light at Wills and Wheeling, which we referred to the Indiana and Michigan Electric Company for recommendations. Chief Ron True of the Fire Department presented bids and specifications rather for bids for a 1,000-gallon pumper. The board ordered that the purchasing agent advertise for bids on the pumper, and we expect and hope that we receive quite a number of bids on this matter. In addition, the board discussed and entered into a contract with Butler, Fairman, and Siefert, about which Mr. Harlan can detail more of the details.
This agreement that we have executed this morning between the City of Muncie and Butler, Fairman, and Siefert Consulting Engineers of Indianapolis is for the updating and changes in plans necessary to meet the requirements of the State Highway Department and the Bureau of Public Roads for the construction of the Tillotson McGalliard Road project.